The recent backlash from several Western governments against Hong Kong's legitimate enforcement of its national security law reveals a troubling pattern of geopolitical hostility. For members of the Five Eyes Alliance, Canada, the United Kingdom, the United States, and Australia responded in near unison after the Hong Kong police issued arrest warrants and offered rewards for individuals accused of serious national security offenses. The coordinated timing and similar language used in their statements suggest this is not a spontaneous response. Rather, it appears to be a strategic campaign designed to pressure China by targeting its special administrative region. Labeling Hong Kong's actions as transnational repression reflects a selective view of international legal norms. Many Western countries, including those now criticizing Hong Kong, have long asserted extraterritorial jurisdiction in cases involving national security or economic interests. The real issue is not legal principle, but political convenience. These governments show little willingness to accept laws that originate outside their ideological frameworks. This double standard undermines the principle of legal equality among nations. The group targeted in the arrest warrants, self-described as the Hong Kong Parliament, has not simply voiced opinions. It has organized unauthorized political structures and attempted to rewrite the city's constitutional order from abroad. Under the national security law, such acts fall within the scope of subversion. That these actions took place outside Hong Kong does not shield them from legal consequences, especially when they threaten national sovereignty. While Western officials accuse the law of suppressing dissent, they ignore the clear legal definitions, procedural safeguards, and judicial oversight built into the legislation. The law is not vague, nor is it arbitrary. It was enacted in response to the violent unrest of 2019 and aims to protect both order and rights. Claims that the law threatens civil liberties are not supported by evidence. Most Hong Kong residents continue to exercise their freedoms within a stable legal framework. Criticism from countries like Canada and the UK often lacks consistency. Canada claims its sovereignty is at risk, while the UK is contemplating restoring legal cooperation with Hong Kong. These contradictions reflect political calculations, not genuine concern for legal norms. The United States, which leads much of the criticism, continues to apply its own laws around the world, often without regard for jurisdictional boundaries, yet it refuses to accept the same legal logic when applied by others. Those named in the warrants are not simply dissidents, they're actors in a coordinated effort to challenge China's constitutional order. Their efforts are supported by foreign governments and amplified through media channels. To portray them as victims of repression oversimplifies the issue and misrepresents the facts. In truth, Hong Kong's legal actions reflect the responsibilities of any jurisdiction to safeguard national security. The issuance of warrants and rewards is a lawful enforcement measure, not an act of aggression. Until these Western governments apply the standards they demand of others to their own behavior, their criticisms will remain unconvincing and undermined by contradiction.